Hey guys, what's up? It's Jen from Insomniac, and this is the video with my new Gac800, and I'm not using silicone. There is actually a splash of Floetrol in with the Gac800. I'm having issues breaking the surface tension. I'm trying not to use any additives whatsoever except for pouring medium. So, and of course water, because that's theoretically that's what's supposed to break the barrier. The last painting I did last night was it was a flop, but it was really pretty. So anyway, this was last night's painting. Let me shed some light on this. Looks better with the light off, but you can see how shiny it is, and that's from the GAC. The depth in this is unbelievable. So when you hold it up like this, you really can't see much, and then when you hold it down into the light, then that's when you see the copper and all the other goodies. So I'm using the leftover paints. I did add the Floetrol to it though. It did not have Floetrol last night. So, hopefully this will work. I think I have my densities. I think I have my paints in order by their density correctly this time. I had to mess with it a lot last night. I have this thing that I put drops of paint on a styrofoam plate, and then I hold the plate vertical, and then the faster the paint drops, obviously, the more dense, because gravity is pulling heavier stuff faster than lighter. But I'm so used to using Floetrol and making my paints all the same consistency that I've actually gotten really good at making everything even. And when you start pouring without silicone, that's not the case no more. You have to fluctuate your paints based on the viscosity. Some are opaque, some are translucent, some are heavy bodied, some are soft bodied, some are, some are inks, some are high flow, some are just fluid, some are craft paints. I mean, the list goes on. So, yeah, you gotta fluctuate it, and then the heavier paint sinks to the bottom, pushing the lighter paint to the top, creating your cells. Because not everything sinks and not everything rises. So there's kind of like a happy little median where it overlays each other, and then that's how cells form. If you want to see where it all started, I think his name is Securos, or I don't know. But anyway, it's called The Accidental Painting. And it was done with just paint and water. And some scientists recreated it later on based on viscosity. And it's really pretty. So, anyway, I'm going to experiment with some tiles. That's my heaviest, according to my plate. Then the copper, I'm going to just pour it like that. I don't want to use too much copper, because copper is extremely, it has a tendency to take over. So I'm just kind of going along based on the density of the paints. And this one. Okay. I'm just going to put a splash of that. I love this color. Probably should go high like that. just so it just mixes a little bit. Then this is my lightest color. This is the neon green. Okay, so we're going to do this quickly, and fingers crossed, of course. Boom, boom. And then, of course, I always like to do